how to change your name on ClickUp. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change your name on ClickUp. So let me tell you a bit about ClickUp first. ClickUp is actually a software where you can handle your database, your work files, your projects. Each and everything is actually combined under one umbrella, and the name of that umbrella is ClickUp. Like here you can see that ClickUp is a project management software that provides all-in-one platform to improve workplace efficiency and collaboration. The platform's feature include tasks like chat, whiteboard, spreadsheet, document collaboration on a unified platform. So that's more about ClickUp. That is the gist. So now what do you need to do in order to make an account on ClickUp? It's very easy. You just need to click here and then you need to sign up or log in. And once when you do, you just have to put in your email and you will be taken here. Now this is the home page. This is where all the magic happens. And the answer to this video that I'm making is here as well. So if you want to change your name, for example, you log in via your email, but they give you an automatic name taken from your email sometimes, or the username of your email. But if you don't like it and if you find the need to change it, then what you need to do, you need to go and click here on this top right corner, and then you need to click on settings right here. Now, once when you do it, you can see that this is your profile and you can do anything that you want on your profile. Like you can change your name, you can change your picture, you can enter a new password, or if you don't like the old password, you can put a new password as well. You can turn on two-factor authentication, an OTP, text message that you can use. Uh, that's completely up to you. You can change the theme as well, appearance, dark, light, auto, contrast, languages. You can do anything that you want. You can also change the time and date format as well. But if you want to change the name, you can just remove this name and you can just write a new name that you like, and then you can click on save changes. You'll be good to go. So that's how you do it. It was very easy and very simple to do, pretty straightforward as well. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.